Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you two easy methods on how to draft an off-shoulder top or dress. So these are all the materials you'll be needing for this pattern paper. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start by ruling our start line at the top like this. We're just going to go ahead and draft the basic bodies before we go ahead to do work on the off-shoulder area. So let's go ahead and then take all our basic bodice measurement. By now you already know how to do this. You're going to take from your shoulder to your bust point, shoulder to under bust, and the waist point. So we're just going to make it up with this design for us to see. So I'm just labeling the points like this: the shoulder line, the bust point, under bust, and the waistline. So what we're going to do next is to get the chest line, and to do that divide your bust circumference by 6 and add 1.5 inches to whatever you get, and I've marked that as well. So I've marked my shoulder, that's the neck width. I just marked 3 inches, and then I came down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, and I've connected. Next, the 8 inches that I took on my shoulder, because my shoulder divided by 2 is 8 inches, so I've marked that, and then I brought it down to the chest line as well, and I've marked that point. Next, we're going to get the midpoint of the shoulder slope and the chest line. So as you see me doing, I'm just going to go ahead and then fold my tape like this to get the midpoint, and then mark that midpoint. From this midpoint, I'm going to go in by 1/2 inch. As you see me doing, just go ahead and connect. Then on the chest line, you're going to divide your bust circumference by 4. Whatever you get, you're going to mark it on the point like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is to connect these 3 lines using your curve rule, or you can use your free hand. It all depends on you. So what we're doing next is we're taking the dart measurement, and to do that you're going to place your nipple to nipple divided by 4. Whatever you get, you mark it on the points as I've marked, and then on the waistline you go out on both sides by 1/2 inch from the points there as you see me, and then connect all the way to the bust point as you see me. So the next thing is you're going to just place all your basic bodice measurements and then replace the dart intake as you see me doing. It's just drafting your basic bodies. I know by now a lot of you already know how to do this if you've been following me on this channel. So after we've marked these points, you're just going to get your rule and connect as I've done, and then we're going to cut out the pattern paper as you see me doing. So you can see that we didn't do anything on the neckline. So that's what we're going to work on now. So now to start, you're going to come down on the center front. You're going to come down by 6 inches. Now, if you want it to be really open, you can come down to your chest line. Okay, come down to your chest line, just there to your chest line there. But I'm just going to go by 6 inches for this tutorial, because let's just go with 6 inches. Okay, so mark 6 inches, and then on the other side we're going to come down by 4 inches. Now, if you're taking it all the way down to your chest line and your chest line is 8 inches, then you come down by 6 inches on the side, on the armhole area as you see me. Next, you're going to connect with your curve rule like this, so you can see how it looks. It's very simple. So the next thing you're going to do is just turn the curved rule like this, kind of like create like I don't even know, like a round kind of shape. Just turn it like this as you see me doing, and then connect it together like this. I don't know if this is a pear shape or but just connect it. Like, it's very simple. You can see how it looks. So just go ahead and connect, and then the next thing we're going to do is to turn it to the other side as well. Okay, turn it to this other side as well, and then connect as you see me. You can see how it looks, guys. You can see, I don't even know what shape this looks like. I don't know if it's a mango, if it's a pear. So just go ahead and then connect. You can see me, I'm just trying to like make this part a little bit wider as you see, and then I've connected. So this is it, guys. This is basically it. Like, it's very easy. So if you want it to have like that Queen Anne kind of like that curved neckline kind of effect, so what you're going to do is to cut on this first part that you see me cutting. Okay, if you want it to have that round effect, like you can see. Okay, so let me open it. Okay, so you can see how this one is. So this is the first part, and if you want it to have this shape, you can see. So if you come down to your chest line, you see that it will really be open, like it will really open up. Okay, so you can see how it is. It's very simple to achieve. It's very, very, very easy, guys. So you can see how it is. So I'm just trying to explain that If you bring it down to your neckline, if you want, to your chest line rather, if you want, it's going to be very open, you know, like it will have that deep effect and all that. So that's that for the first pattern. So the next one, we're going to cut this other pattern. If you want it to just have like just a normal round shape, okay, as it is, just a normal round shape, as it is, this is how you're just going to cut it. If you want it to be square as well, you just go ahead and just cut it straight. You don't have to do this bending part, you understand? So this is what it looks like, guys. I'm just going to turn it around like this for you to see properly. If you want it to have like that round kind of shape, this is it, guys. So it is very, very easy to make, guys. It's very simple and very easy to follow. So go ahead and try out this pattern, guys, and see how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.